In this video, we're going to learn how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions using our graphing calculator. So we're going to start off with our first problem. We're going to simplify 2/3 plus -7/8. So the first thing that we want to do is enter in our fraction 2/3. So to do that, we're going to hit the alpha y equals key, and that brings up our fraction menu, and we're going to choose the first option, which gives us our fraction. And we're going to enter in 2/3. Then we're going to arrow over so we can get out of our fraction so that we're able to put our plus sign. Now we want to enter our second fraction. We're going to do the same thing. So we're going to hit alpha y equals and choose that first option. Here we have a -7/8. And we're going to arrow out of the fraction, and then we're going to hit enter to get our simplified answer of -5/24. So remember, to enter our fraction, we hit alpha, then we hit y equals, and then we hit option number 1. Let's try problem B. Here we have -2/3 minus 5/4. Let's go ahead and enter that in. So alpha y equals option number 1, -2/3 minus alpha y equals option number 1, 5/4. Then hit enter, and here we have an answer of -23/12. And what's great is the calculator will always give you the simplified answer. This can also be done using a Desmos calculator. So here we'll enter in 7, I'm using the divide sign, and 10. I'll arrow over and close my parentheses, put my new parentheses, and then -5 divided by 6, and then close my parentheses. And right now it's giving me an answer as a decimal, but because we started with fractions, we are going to end with fractions and get an exact answer. So what we'll do is we'll click this button right here, and it's going to give us our reduced fraction, which is -7/12. Now let's do a division problem. Let's do our last problem. So here we'll enter in a 1/3, and then we will divide that. And it's okay that Desmos is doing this and making it a bigger fraction and not using a division symbol. Fractions are really just division problems. So then on the bottom, we'll put our parentheses, and then a -6/7. And again, Desmos is giving us an answer as a decimal. So we'll hit our blue button over here, our fraction button, to have that change. And we'll see that our answer is a -7/18. And we're done.